In this video, I'm going to share with you the 3 best tips when it comes to finding a niche on YouTube and actually making money with your YouTube channel. If we look here on the right-hand side on my avatar, you can see that I manage multiple YouTube channels that are very profitable. And you may have seen this video from Think Media about your YouTube niche formula. I love Think Media. However, I found it difficult for their channel to be relatable when I was first starting YouTube about 3 years ago. I was able to go full-time with YouTube in 2 years as a solopreneur. So if you do not have a large team like Think Media, you're working a full-time job, you got kids. I started my most successful YouTube channel with almost 460,000 subscribers, working a full-time 50 to 60 hour per week job. So I'm not going to waste your time, and I'm going to share the best 3 tips with you when it comes to finding a niche. Now you may be looking at these channels and saying, holy smokes, Andrea Jean, why do you have so many YouTube channels? I did not start all these YouTube channels until I had major success with one. Once I had big success with this one, I knew that I could rinse and repeat my knowledge on other channels that I love. Here are my other main channels. When it comes to choosing a niche, yes, I highly suggest that you choose a niche. If you are all over the board, YouTube has no idea who to place your content in front of. So we have Elite Fit, YouTube how-to guide, and meditate daily. And I want you to apply these to your channel. I chose things that I do every single day. I meditate every single day. I work out every single day, and I love teaching. And I have 4 kids, so I'm always cleaning and trying to find good cleaning hacks. So what do you love? What are you consuming every single day? What do you find yourself watching? Start there. I would not try to start a YouTube channel that you have no interest in or that you have not done or consume content on an everyday basis. Let me give you an example. Let's go to videos here. Let's go to oldest. When I first started this channel, I started doing clean with me videos because I heard that they were popular. I never watched clean with me videos. So why in the heck would I think that I would start creating videos on that? And guess what? After a year of doing this content, it did not perform very well. I almost quit YouTube because I got so frustrated. Stick with what you know and what you are passionate about. Okay, here's the next point. This is so important for you. You need to know who is also doing what you want to do in your space. So for example, there is a woman called Clean My Space, Melissa Maker. You may have heard of her. She's got 1.9 million subscribers. She's been on YouTube for years. And I saw how she created her content, and she is wonderful. However, her style does not fit my personality, which is great. There's Angela Brown. She's a professional house cleaner. So I knew I could take a different approach. I no longer wanted to get on camera because I had too many things going on, working a full-time job, having 4 children. So I thought, I'm going to do it my way. I'm going to create a channel dedicated entirely to cleaning hacks that is fun and entertaining. And that is why this channel has blown up. But you got to know who's in your space and what they are doing and how can you do it just a little bit differently. Let me give you another example on my fitness channel that you can apply to your YouTube content. There's a female called Growing Ananas, and she is wonderful. I do her home workouts. She's young. She's in her 20s, but her channel really started to take off when she started doing Tabata content. I love Tabata content, but here's where my channel differs. I have 4 kids. I'm in my late 30s. I reach a totally different market when it comes to doing Tabata content. Your goal is to be one of the top 3 when it comes to your niche. I want you to have that champion mindset. There is this book that I highly recommend. It's called The Champion's Mind. You can see that I purchased this 2 years ago. I'm going to link this in the description box below. This is going to change the game when it comes to creating your YouTube channel. When you start taking on this mentality, you will flourish and do things beyond your wildest dreams. Now let's talk about how you're actually going to make money with your YouTube efforts, because each of my YouTube channels has a different monetization strategy. This fitness one right here, the primary means for making money on this one will be through ads, the Google AdSense program. And why do I know this? Because I know the types of views that these videos can get. The more views, the higher AdSense revenue. Same with my cleaning channel. We're on track to make over $400,000 this year on just the cleaning channel with the Google AdSense program. At some point, I will also launch my own products and services, such as an app or fitness attire. Let's talk about this YouTube how-to guide channel. These types of videos do not get as high as views on videos. The demand is just not as great as entertainment or fitness-related content. The primary means of income for this YouTube channel is affiliate income, whatever's linked in that description box below, and my own products and services, which is YouTube Profit Academy, and I open the doors for that one time per year. It's for an elite group of individuals that are wanting to make money on YouTube and leave their full-time jobs. On my meditation channel, the primary means of income here is the Google AdSense program, along with my own products and services in the next few years. This is also a slower moving channel. Why? Because the need and the demand is not as great on YouTube. That's also a big indicator on the type of content to select. Fitness is more in demand on YouTube. Cleaning hacks and entertainment is even higher demand. Educational content such as this YouTube how-to guide channel and the Meditate Daily channel are slower moving vehicles. And that's okay, but just know that. So have a strategy on how you want to make money with the efforts that you put in. So click this video on screen now. I have 6 proven ways to help you make money with your YouTube efforts. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.